All right, good morning or afternoon. So today we have some new ones. We're doing rhyme production, but I'm going to say 2 words. You repeat the 2 words, and then you say 2 or 3 more words that rhyme with the words. Let's do an example, okay? I'll say go, no. You say go, no. And then you think of 2 words that rhyme with go and no. You could say bow, show, row, toe. So there's lots of words that rhyme with that. And you just have to think of 2 or 3 that rhyme. Okay, let's try it. Call, fall. Okay, you could have said mall, ball, tall. There's lots of words, and it doesn't have to be those ones. It could be any that rhyme. Okay, let's try another one. Quick stick. Okay, you could have said wick, tick, nick. You can even say nonsense words like mick. That's okay. Okay, let's try another one. Blue, do. You could have said two, shoe, new, few. Okay, last one. B, C. Okay, here's some me, tea, knee, she. All right, let's try our onset fluency. This is a little bit different too. Remember, onset means the beginning sound. So I'm going to say 2 words. You're going to repeat those 2 words, and then you're going to give me a thumbs up if those 2 words begin with the same sound, and a thumbs down if they do not begin with the same sound. Okay, let's try it. Noise, nice. Noise and nice begin with n. Fire, hot. I hope you gave me a thumbs down. Fire and hot do not begin with the same sound. Bake, boat. Yeah. High, low. No. Care is. Care and is do not start the same. Okay, we're going to blend phonemes. There's 3 parts to these, so I'm going to go t or k, t, cut. And then you're going to go k, t, cut. Okay, so you're copying me. Let me go first, and then it'll be your turn, okay? Bed, bed. Your turn. Good. Den. Jet. Men. Pet. Okay, very good. We're going back to isolating medial sounds. Remember, medial means the middle. So we're going to use our roller coaster. And when we get up here in that middle sound, remember what that is. We're going to go back down, and then I'm going to go up here, and I want you to say what that middle sound is. Remember, it's going to be a vowel sound in the middle. Okay? So let's practice one together. P-A-T. Did you hear the ah up there? Okay, so I'm going to go p-a-t, and then up here, I'm going to give you time to say it, and then I'm going to tell you and make sure you got it right. Ah. Okay, that's how we're going to do it. I hope you said for an. En. Ill. Op. Un. Remember, you say it first. I'm saying it, but I just am saying it to make sure you got it correct, okay? Now we're going to segment, so get your choppers out. I'm going to say it, sit, and then I'm going to chop it, it, into 3 phonemes. And then you're going to say it, sit, and chop it, it. Okay? So, me first. Top, op. Your turn. Okay, very good. Got, t. Your turn. Okay. Mop, op. Dot, t. Hot, ot. Okay, very good. Now we're going to add phonemes. I'm going to say the rhyme, and then you're going to say the rhyme, and then I'm going to say add b to the beginning, and then the word is, and you will say what the word is. I'm going to say what the word is at the end, but I don't want you to wait for me. I want you to say it first, and then I'm saying it just to make sure you got it right, okay? So let's do a practice. Ed, and you say ed. Add b to the beginning to make bed. You say bed, or we could say bed together even. That's okay. Okay, are you ready? Ugh. Add h to the beginning to make hug. Up. Add k to the beginning to make cup. Ugh. Add t to the beginning to make tug. Un. Add s to the beginning to make sun. Ut. Add n to the beginning to make nut. Very good. Okay, deleting phonemes is kind of going to be the same. I'm going to say cap. You're going to say cap. Then I'm going to say without ka, what's left is, and you'll say app. And I'll say it again just to make sure you got it right, okay? So we have hat. Without h, what's left is at. Good. We have tan. Without t, what's left is an. We have bag. Without b, what's left is ag. We have cap. Without k, what's left is app. We have fan. Without f, what's left is an. Good. Okay, last one. We are going to substitute phonemes. So we have the word 10. We're going to change t to h, and the word is hen. Okay. We have hen. Change h to k, and the word is ken. We have ken. Change k to p, and the word is pen. We have pen. Change p to d, and the word is den. We have den, change da to ta, and the word is 10. Very good. Okay, and I think this is a new nursery rhyme. We'll see. The only line we have to do today is Jack be nimble. Maybe you've heard it. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow and we'll learn more.